No, good. Okay, let's take a picture.
Let's. Hey, where are the rest?
Yeah. Okay, can go take a circular. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You want the box for
Okay,
your
how?
jacket?
Yes.
What's your name, brother?
Ted.
Huh?
Ted.
This is
Ted.
Papana.
Yeah.
All right.
Papana.
Yeah. He was nice. Yeah.
Yes.
Very helpful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's take a
GK
picture.
level mo.
I'll put them in the Facebook.
No, seriously, do you want it?
Yeah.
Or you want me to hold on to it? Because that's where I bought it.
Which one? The
Same exact jacket as this.
hold it for me.
You think we'll have water here?
I don't know where we turned it off. That's the gas.
Oh no, the dirt over there. Power was the level,
The stain.
the stain.
Yeah, you can when you get running water.
Oh,
Because you need to clean up all this toxic blood here.
Right. Oh, okay.
There's no water?
I hooked up to the doctor's house.
Oh,
You know.
If you get running water easy, so one day.
Because the cops, how long was I gone? 5 minutes?
Yeah.
And the cops were here.
Yeah.
I have like 4 cars.
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, because the cops is all over.
Yeah.
Somebody called in.
Somebody
They
called
don't
in.
They don't recognize these
Yeah,
guys.
yeah,
that are in the
because
house.
you know.
They don't recognize these guys and they're in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, I was gone no more than 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And I show back up.
But it's good because you got to keep safety
Right.
and surety. Yeah.
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 Yes, maybe they want those military meals.
What about them?
Give it to them.
No, I'm too far. I'm going to focus on the I don't want that.
That's kind of fun.
You guys want the army rations?
No, we good.
So see, they
We
want food.
we good. We good.
Listen up.
Yeah, we good. We good.
You're right. Yeah, 'cause-
Yeah.
Um,
Ibo how to?
Mana dua?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
have you seen the house?
Uh-huh. Okay. When we finish, we take the whole team together. Yeah. Yeah. That's Ibrahim, the man. Ibrahim Sumbundu. Yes, sir. Okay, that's him.
Chef in chief.
What's his name?
Ibrahim.
Abraham?
Yeah. So whatever contract you need,
Yeah.
he knows. He got solution to all.
Okay.
Electrician, carpentry, tiling.
Where did you work before?
He's still working.
Oh, he's still
Yeah,
working?
he still got his.
So he will be very busy. I'll ask friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who needs work?
Yeah.
I haven't seen them because I was very busy. Yes. And
Yeah.
I'm
Okay,
gonna
let me
go
go inside and take some picture.
yes. Yeah, take some pictures and
Yeah.
put it on the Facebook.
Facebook, yes.
See, that's what I told her. That's what I hoped she would have finished the entire house like this. Because this is gonna this is gonna last forever.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, this is the old sheet tile. What's that? Everything. Norma lost everything.
This is the water level. Oh my God.
6 foot.
Wherever